P80, Q60, yeah. Twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine in night, be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Thailand. Just drop it, whip, tell it, roll and pipe that. 7.6 to a
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So, just coming from the gas station. Just went and get some E85. Yeah, my boy with the white 330. So by the title and the thumbnail, y'all already know what's gonna go down in the video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And I hope y'all enjoy the video, man. About to like pull up to a meet that they're having real quick, so we about to pull up to a meet. So I'm just getting a little POV drive for y'all. So hit that like button, man. We're trying to let this channel reach 10k subs. Trying to hit 10k for this year, so that's the goal for the channel, and hopefully even surpass that 10k goal, man. probably gonna have to lower the ethanol content, man. It's kind of like breaking up just a little bit. Damn, that turbo sounds good.
Brand new snail.
Brand new snail. Little snail. Brand new turbo. On the on DC.
Brand new snail, the dog.
Yo.
Damn.
PRL? Shit.
I would have gone the Type R one though. Type R is more of like titanium and
Yeah.
less of this.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
It goes more out. It looks better. But this spec is more for that one than
Yeah.
Oh,
the Accord.
What pay them through them?
I don't know. Shit clean, bro. G37. Got a few 60s over there. VQ boys. Then I got my boy right here with his Mustang. And my next boy with the Honda 2.0 Accord upgraded turbo. Bro. RS8? Shit. Got some clean ass builds. So, we got the cops kicking us out, man. So, right now I'm just gonna like probably go home because this shit make no sense. But yeah, man, if y'all reach this far into the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. So right now everybody's leaving. Shit's crazy, man. Damn, that shit picks up quick. Yeah, guys. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Y'all reach this far into the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and peace. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Let me give y'all a little small pull real quick.